Welcome to the Extend Academy.
Hi, my name is Megan. I'm part of the customer support team here at Extend, and in this video today, I'm going to walk you through all the ways you can manage receipts and invoices in Extend. So you probably know by now you can attach receipts to transactions, but I'm going to talk about how you can track and manage them. So in Extend, if you are an owner of your organization or you're in an admin role, you can actually set up receipt rules for your team to follow in Extend. You can send reminders to members who haven't attached proper documentation, so when end of month reconciliation rolls around, you won't have to chase as much. So in order to set up those rules, we're gonna go and hover over Manage Organization. You're gonna wanna choose your organization settings right here and business rules. So you'll see right here, these are our receipt rules. In order to turn them on, you just wanna update here and toggle on. You can set the start date for your receipts and you can set the transaction amount. So I'm going to require receipt for anything over $15 in this situation. Save receipt rules, and right there you'll see it's active. So let's take a look at all the rules we just put into play in our transactions tab. So if you head over here, already you're gonna see these little icons. So a gray icon indicates that there's a receipt attached. And if you scroll down a bit, people have been very good. Aha, okay. So a red icon indicates that the person has not yet attached their receipt. Now, there are two ways to remind someone. You can remind them individually just by clicking here, and you'll see that has sent a receipt reminder. So that means that user got an email, they'll get a notification in app to attach a receipt. You can also send a reminder to everyone who owes you a receipt at the same time in bulk. So you'll head up to Receipt Tools, Receipt Reminder, and send receipt reminder, and that will send a blast to everyone, email, notification, attach your receipts. Now, say I'm someone who's just received that. I log in to Extend and I look for my transaction. Perfect. So I need to attach a receipt here. I'm going to click into my transaction, scroll down to the receipts, add my missing receipt, and you will see that red missing turn to a green attached. So you are good to go, just like that. So if you're someone in your organization who's tasked with managing receipts, compliance, end of month reconciliation, it's really easy to get the data you need from Extend and have it on your internal system. So all of the transactions, all of the receipts. The easiest way to do that is by using our download option. So I'm going to scroll back up and you'll see right here this download option. I'm just going to click that. This is where I'll get a CSV of transactions, and if I click this, this is going to include any attachments, i.e. receipts. I'm going to do that, download CSV and attachments. You'll see it's preparing right there. And you'll open it up and you'll see it comes in a zip file. In that zip file, here are all of the receipts, and here is the CSV report with all of those transactions on it. And then you can come back to your transactions and click it out. And that's it. That's the whole thing. It's super easy. It saves you time chasing down individuals at the end of the month. If you have any other questions about this, receipt management, or setting any of the rules, please reach out to Extend and just let us know.
To learn more, visit our Help Center.